Hello guys, my name is Nina and welcome to my channel where I do all sorts of creative stuff. I started drawing when I was a kid, but when I was about 15 years old, I started getting better. I taught myself everything with a little help of the global drawing community. Soon I noticed I had a talent and I put an effort into growing it. I started doing celebrity drawings, some of them even posted my drawings on the social media, and later on I started accepting commissions. I was born in 1996 and I'm inspired by creating great portraits in different styles, drawing on fabric, painting, inventing and testing out new ways of art. I'm also inspired by traveling. If you're interested in doing collaborations, please reach out. Best regards, Nina.
And by the way guys, please subscribe and press the bell.